Hello, I just woke up. You know what we're doing today? We're gonna be applying summertime nail stickers. Yep. If you watched my previous video, and if you haven't seen my previous video where I did PolyGel nail, I'll link it down in the description box down below and up in this card. But in that video, I mentioned how I wanted to decorate the PolyGel nail with some summertime nail stickers. So that's what we will be doing today. So let's get started sticking those stickers on my PolyGel nails.
So here are these stickers. I got them off of Amazon and you get 12 sheets of them. And like I said in the intro, they are like summer themed. So I grabbed my little scissors and I cut them open and here they are. They're so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you all of the patterns just real quick. So if you buy these, you know what you're getting. So you get seashells, you get these kind of like anchor, red, white, and blue. You get mermaid / fish, some kind of drinks that I'm not an advocate for, and blue surfboards.
Time now for the TMAY, which means tell me something about yourself down in the comment section down below. My cat is being so cute right now. So cute. So cute. Yeah. You're so cute. You cute? You're so cute. It could be about anything, so let us all know down in the comment section down below.
And look at this sheet, it's just absolutely so cute. A pig with a grass skirt on, adorable. Then you get some pineapples, some starfish, some fish, I was going to say it was actually sharks, and then you get beautiful mermaids and seashells. So that's all 12 sheets. And also I wanted to show this in this video. I bought it off of Amazon too. It's just a rhinestone like wheel, but it actually has beach themes in it. Alright, so here's my PolyGel nails. As you've seen in my last video, I did PolyGel nails. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down in the description box down below, but here's what they look like. And I just wanted to design them a little bit, and I wanted to do like a summer type of manicure. So I picked this sheet with the mermaid and the fish and the seashells, and so here, just bear with me here, this is me trying to pick it up, but you know, they're so tiny and very thin, and I don't want them like super thick or anything, but these stickers are very thin, so I gotta be very careful. So I got my tweezers and I'm trying to pick it up, and that is me picking it up off there. You just gotta be kind of careful. And then I just placed the fish on my thumb.
Time now for the helpful fact of the day. I'm putting on my glasses because this is serious. Oh my goodness, it's really bright out. When you are applying your nail stickers, it's awesome if you have a tweezer. Now, you don't have to buy a special nail tweezers, and if you want a special nail tweezers, I'll link one down in the description box down below. I got one with that Rhinestone kit, so it was awesome. But you don't have to buy a nails one. You can just like use one that you tweezer your eyebrows with to put on nail stickers. But oh my goodness, throughout this whole video you can see that I'm using my nail tweezers, but you can also use like tweezers for your eyebrows too. Gotta have a tweezer to put on nail stickers. Just makes life simple. So yeah, when you're using nail stickers, try to use some tweezers because it's gonna make life a whole lot simple. Yeah.
Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed another sticker from that same card, which is a seahorse, which I think is so pretty. My thought behind the thumb is like the fish is swimming up and the seahorse is more towards the bottom of the sea, which I think is so pretty. Also, I just use my finger kind of to pat them down, and once you do that, they're pretty much stuck, like you can't really pick them up or like peel them off your nail or anything. Then I put a starfish because I think that I kind of went with the whole theme and I think it looks very beachy. So I went ahead and moved on to my other nails, and I just grabbed a drink, and you know this drink right here is kind of orange. You know what it would be for me? It would be like an orange juicy juice, yeah. And then I put a flip-flop, and then I wondered what that was on my background and figured out it was just white acrylic paint from that time that I was filming with white acrylic paint, and I was like, okay. And then I put a seashell and then a little small seashell. Now moving on to the thing that I mentioned before, which was those rhinestones, but they're not rhinestones, they're like seashells and beach theme rhinestones. I wanted to add that to my manicure and add it to this video because these rhinestones are adorable. So even though this is a sticker video, I had to add some rhinestones in there too because I just think they went with the stickers perfectly. So I went ahead and just applied some of that Model 1 Space Coat that came with the PolyGel down, and then I placed the rhinestones on top of that wet gel, and then I also cured that in the lamp, and then I moved on to finishing up this manicure with a top coat, because you definitely want to put a top coat on because these stickers would probably just wear off right away if you didn't put a top coat on. So I just put the same top coat on that came with the PolyGel, and then I applied that, cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and here's my beachy manicure. I think it turned out beautifully. I love it. I love these nail stickers. I think they're so cute. And please follow me on Instagram so you can see me use more of these beautiful stickers, because I'm definitely going to use more, and I doubly suggest if you want to get some summertime nail stickers to pick these out, because they're so cute.
It's now time for the GTKN. Is that how you say it? I don't even know. I'll put it up here. It's late. I'm tired. I don't know. I have never seen Disney's The Little Mermaid. Yep. In my 20s, and I've never seen it. I got around to thinking about it because these stickers, they give you like mermaid stickers, and I was thinking, I've never even seen The Little Mermaid, so how have I never seen The Little Mermaid? Probably because when I was little and I watched like the Disney princesses and everything, I watched more of the Barbie metal movies, I guess, when I was little, and I always loved those, hence the Genevieve and Odette on my wall up there. Can you believe it? I've never seen The Little Mermaid. What? I started this video at the beginning of the day. Now I'm ending it at the end of the day. Have a good night, everybody. Bye.